How to delete your Duolingo account. So basically in this tutorial video, I'm gonna explain to you step by step how to do that. So the first step is to simply open Duolingo on your smartphone or simply go to duolingo.com and then simply log in into your account. Now the next step is to simply hover your mouse over this button here on the left side, which is this one here where it says more, and then simply click on settings. Now the next step is to simply scroll down, and at the bottom, as you can see, you have this delete my account button. Simply click on that, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply scroll down again and then simply click on erase personal data. So as you can see, click this button to delete your Duolingo, Duolingo for schools, and Duolingo ABC accounts, and erase all of your personal data stored by Duolingo. You lose your learning process and achievements. Once completed, this action cannot be undone. This deletion can take up to 30 days. So if you're okay with that, simply click on erase personal data, and that's all you have to do in order to delete your Duolingo account. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.